Greens 1-0, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be trying the MRE menu number 15 Mexican style chicken stew. And I thought it would also be kind of interesting to open the tailored operational training meal. That's the exact same Mexican style chicken stew as well, and kind of look at the difference real quick. So we'll run over this as quick as I can. So we got the main, we got the, not the main, the main here, accessory pouch. Mexican style cheese with jalapeno. Excellent. We have, what is this? Oh nice, we have applesauce. One of my personal favorites. Sweet. Chocolate flavored First Strike bar, I love these. Crackers. Cardboard, which I won't need. The chocolate hazelnut cocoa beverage powder. The spoon. The FRH. The cardboard. Crushed red pepper. And then we have, what is this? Cheddar cheese pretzels. Score. So I'm not going to be using the FRH today because I find them very inconsistent. So at the totem we have the stew, the main, they look exactly the same. Lemon lime flavored base mix. Raisins. Bit of a letdown with the raisins, but it's alright. I don't hate raisins. Crackers. FRH. Accessory pack. Hot sauce. And the cardboard. So the difference being that there's no wow, brain fart. There's no side in this one. The side, of course, in this one being the applesauce. Which that's cool because I actually like applesauce, so lime drink. I opened this up for comparison. Probably going to do is I'm going to break it up and then eat the components on various other outings. Like I've already got an idea what I'm going to do with the raisins. So I guess I'll put that in off camera. There's the drink. That was a little flatter. Alright, we have a hot main. Man, you really don't get a whole lot once you pour it all out and heat it up. You're probably noticing I'm using the cast iron skillet again. You know, I'm doing that because when I heated up the chicken chunks, I really liked it. I don't have to fight with the FRH. And you can see the food. I think it heats up more thoroughly. We're gonna add some Texas Pete hot sauce. Because no meal is complete without Texas Pete. What I thought I would do as well, instead of just eating the crackers, I mean, I'm gonna eat the crackers, but instead of just putting a spread on them, I'm a crush the cracker up and put it in a stew kind of guy. Let's see if I can get you down a bit. There we go. Oh. That's not bad at all. Oh, I should like that. I will say that that was really good. I cleaned the whole pan out. I'm actually wishing I had more of it because I could have eaten a nice hearty bowl of that. That was quite tasty. I don't know where the Mexican part came from, maybe because it had corn, but I mean, I added my own sick Texas Pete. And yeah, hazelnut drink's not bad. We got the apple sauce. I like applesauce, so I've always liked applesauce. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm going to be doing these in a skillet from now on. Although I only have one more of the beige MREs left. It's the tuna slice, which if my suspicions are correct, it's a no heat variety. Just because of the 24-hour ration that I had, I suspect it's not going to. It may have a heater. I really doubt it will have a heater, but I've been wrong before. I mean, it may be a noodle dish, but I really don't think so. I think it's going to be something else. I guess I could save the FRH for something else down the road. Nope. Only downside of the cast iron though is that I didn't bring any paper towels to wipe it out with, so. Although I do have the MRE toilet paper. Oh, and then I got the lemonade drink as well. I just pulled out of the accessory pouch. Pretty good. So I'm going to save the cheese because that's gold. Something else down the road. I'm going to munch on the crackers. I guess I'll finish the peanut butter. Good to the last drop. I'm just using the bag for garbage. I've had these pretzels before. There should be the combo pretzel flavor, which is exactly what they are. This is cheese, but is that peanut butter? Well, I guess it's cheese. It looked brown, that's all. I was thinking if you had food allergies, and here I are putting peanut butter in your mouth, you know, it could get you sick, so. Since I just had the first strike bar in the last one, I'm going to save that one as well. I'm going to eat the crackers, clean up, and head out and do stuff. Well, as always, I thank you for watching. I look forward to reading your comments. I'm not sure what meal I'm going to do after this. Probably the tuna slice, which I have a fairly good idea. I know what that one is. But I've been wrong before, so. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.